Kids love animals. This is the reason. Zoos, safari parks, pet zoos, and many such places exist and are always crowded with kids. Parents take their kids to Disneyland, Disney World, Marineland, and other places for kids' love for animals. Because of the love between kids and animals, Disney has produced many movies about animals, like The Lion King and Jungle Book. And it continues to produce such films. TV shows and serials, like Sesame Street, Nature Cat, Magic of Disney's Animal Kingdom, and many more became popular because of kids' love for animals. ABC Song in a Zoo app. Reflects the same idea of kids' love for animals, and because of it, while enjoying the app, they also learn 26 letters of the alphabet and 26 names of animals. In this upgrade, we have also added the voices of animals. Please give your feedback and comments, which are important to us to improve our work.